Pag may pera talaga, pag may extra, binibilhan ko sila ng isda. Yung galunggong ba? Yung galunggong. Kasi, plato-plato dito, 2 plato. 50, dami na, sawa sila. Oh. Sabi ni buhok. Gusto, Charma. Kalmot ako ha. Ay, kalmutin ko ang mukha mo. Bread. Guys, pang diet yung ating tinapay. Uy, ang dami balibo eh. Balibo pusa. Sana gamot ba itong balibo ng pusa, guys? Stress level. Hi, Pin. How are you? How's your day, Pin? No more Pin, ah. My bad haven't been on. I've been working more, keeping my mind distracted. What? Why? Uh-huh. Why bad? Happy? What happening? Kalaman natin, guys, pati yung balibo ng pusa hindi makita, maliliit. O, para hindi ako antukin maglaba, guys. Maglalaba ako, kaya damihan natin ng tsokolate. Depression, lol. Depression? Why you depressed naman, Pin? Why you depressed? Depressed about love life? Na-depress si Pin. Pin. Hi, Mohan. Radian. Hi there. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Now, let's eat dinner. Ang palaman na natin. Wait, sana ako. How are you guys? Napay. Ayan. Sabi ko na eh, napalaman ko sa tinapay. Mga ba? Kay Phoebe yun. All good. Oh, that's good. Tingnan natin kaya baka makalaman. Pasawa yung mga cotton, guys. Nag-festa sila. Hello. Shout out German. Cosmin. Hello. Nice to see you again, German Cosmic. How are you doing? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. What? Sorry.